So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can set an alphanumeric passcode on your iPhone's lock screen instead of just a 6-digit or 4-digit numeric password. Now in order to do it, just simply open the settings of your iPhone. Once you do that, here scroll down until you see this option of there we go, Face ID and Passcode. Just simply tap over there. It will ask you to enter your screen passcode. Just simply enter that, go into there, and here when you scroll down, you're gonna see this option of change passcode. Now it will check your face ID, and there might be some security delays if you change it on some unknown locations. But once you do that, while creating a new first it will ask you to enter your current passcode, and now when you create a new passcode, it will show you an option of a change passcode type or something like that. There only you will easily able to find an option of change to alphanumeric password, and you can easily set that and use that on your screen's password as alphanumeric code. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.